Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On this tutorial, I will show you how to make rings using soft flex wire, medium, and that's 019. So it's great for if you have any leftover pieces or beads from a design kit. Like these two whole beads were from the free gift from the soft flex live sales. The Softflex live sales are amazing if you haven't checked those out yet. They're on Thursdays at 1 p.m. Pacific, 4 p.m. Eastern. And then just perfect as well for loose beads, leftover beads from any design kits or any from the projects. You just have ones or twos. They're great to put in for a ring. Then I'm going to be using the size 11s Miyuki Delicas, and these are gold just to add as a little spacer on my wire, or you can totally let the wire show. So it's completely up to you how you would like to do that. And then just some 2x2s. So I'm going to use the purple amethyst, and we're going to use this for just the leftover beads, the mix of beads. So you'll just slide on your beads however you would like. You could take a permanent marker and just make a little dot of where you want your wire and your beads to go. Completely up to you. I just kind of eyeball it. Just going to come in and give it a smash. So we have our 2x2s on each side of our little beads. So if you wanted to, you could put the gold seed beads in between. Completely up to you. So we're just going to slide on another 2x2. And we're going to make a little criss. So it should look like that. You want to make sure that it's even in the back of the ring. This is also the same way that you can make an earring. You could go ahead and smash this down, add on an ear wire if you want to, or you could take one of the tails and make a little loop on it. Just go and give it a smash. And then we're just going to round it. And we'll just go ahead and round it. And we have our little ring. Mine's a little bit crooked, but that's okay. It's going to be in the back of my hand. So we'll just take our nippers. Make sure you just cut the tail and not your actual ring. We'll do the same thing on the other side. And we have our little ring. A ring with soft flex wire. Everyone's making like the friendship bracelets. But I think this is a super great way just to get rid of some beads in your collection, like the little odds and ends. It makes a great gift, and they're super easy to make, and it uses all your extra soft flex wire as well. So that's a simple ring. And then we're going to make a double ring using the 2 hold beads and some seed beads. I always like to start in the middle when working on my rings. So we're going to slide on the 2 hold beads. And when you're doing a double-stranded ring, make sure that the soft flex is fairly the same size. And then we're just going to pick up a couple seed beads, maybe 2 seed beads between our little diamonds, just to give it that little pop of like a metal tone in there, as well as to give it some spacing on the diamonds. So we're going to pick up 2 more. And what's nice about the soft flex is it does act as a needle when you're picking up your seed beads, so you don't have to worry about trying to pick them up by your hands. We're going to slide on our diamond. You can see how it's coming along. And then we'll just add on our another diamond. So I added on the 3rd little diamond, and then I added 5 seed beads on each side. I added on the 3rd diamond, and then I added on 5 seed beads on each side, and I put a 2x2 and gave it a little smash. Now it's going to act as my little bead stopper. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So the reason why I kind of did this design is if I chose to leave the soft flex without putting any beads on it, then you could see the color. And I already have my little bead stumper. Or if I decided to add more the seed beads in the back, they wouldn't get twisted on the back of the ring. So we're going to pick up 5 seed beads on each side, each wire. We have our 5 seed beads. Just going to slide on a 2 by 2. Make sure that the seed beads are nestled between the diamond beads. And we're just going to give it a little smash. I'm going to slide on a 2 by 2. And when we're sliding them on, we want to make sure when we do our crisscross, it's on the same wire. We're just going to make that the size of our ring that we need. And then we'll just go and give it a smash. It looks a little bit of a mess here when you have so many wires, but it will turn out. Now you can trim your tails if they're in the way, or if not, you can just go ahead and add that other 2 by 2 and then give it a trim. So we'll slide on the next one and do our crisscross, making sure that they're the same size. And they are. So now we're just going to do the same thing and rotate it and make it round. That way it's comfortable to wear. And we're just going to trim off our tails. And we have our 2 rings, just the simple ring showing the soft flex wire, or if you wanted to put the seed beads on, and then our double-stranded ring with the check glass diamonds. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for other content and upcoming tutorials. Have a wonderful day.